Hi. So this is another question on balancing chemical equation. To me, this question is very easy. To some of you, it might be very easy, and to some of you, it might be difficult. Okay. But the truth is, your teacher, your professor, is not really going to take it easy on you in your exam. So you have to learn difficult things. Okay. So from subsequent questions 37, 38 up to 50 is going to be more challenging, okay? Just expect it. So let's solve this one right here. We have to balance this equation and we can see that the magnesium Mg is already balanced. My fluorine here is 2 and this is 1. So maybe I should be dropping a 2 in front here to balance the fluorine. Now doing that or dropping that 2 would make my lithium 2. So looking over here, I see that lithium is also already balanced. So that's like a good move that I made there. Now for the CO3, well, that is also balanced because we have CO3 right here and we also have CO3 right on the other side. So already we're done, right? You see, it's not too difficult, is it? But the next ones will be quite difficult. Okay, you have to be strong. You have to be strong. All right, I wish you good luck. Enjoy.